Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your Instagram post. This is great for keeping things peaceful or managing privacy. And here's how to do it. So if you're about to post something, go to the final screen before sharing. Then tap the settings. Then here click on the comments. Then turn on or toggle on the turn off commenting or allow commenting from, block commenting from, and when you publish the post, no one can comment on it. If you want to disable comments on existing posts, all you can do is to go to your profile and tap the three dots on the post. Select the turn off commenting, and that's it. You can turn comments back on anytime by repeating the same steps. And that's how easy it is to turn off comments on Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more quick Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.